Hello guys, today we'll be making native jollof rice, and the main ingredient I'll be using is my rice. I've got a basmati rice, 2 cups of rice there that I'll be using. I have my smoked mackerel fish, I have my spinach, my smoked prawn, my smoked pomo, onions, locust beans, which is iru, efiri, which is scent leaf, my palm oil, and then some pepper that I'm using, and some other ingredients that are not on the table here. If you want to enjoy this video, I will beg you to please watch till end. Stay tuned. So add a generous amount of palm oil into your pot, 2 cooking spoons of it, sorry. So now I'll be adding my chopped onions into it, and I'll fry that for roughly 30 seconds. So I'll be going in with my locust beans now, with my iru. Pour that in and then keep frying it. So I'll be adding some crayfish into that. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of that. Keep frying for another 20 seconds. Now I'll be going in with my pepper mix, my blended pepper mix. I'll stir that together. I'm going in with my curry powder, 1 teaspoon. My thyme, 1 teaspoon. Some seasoning powder, 1 teaspoon, and then salt, 1 teaspoon. Now allow to fry for 20 to 25 minutes in a low to medium heat. So this has been cooking for roughly 35 minutes now, so I'm going to be adding my chicken broth into it now. Then I'll be adding my washed rice, and I'll cook that for 3/4 of the time. This has been cooking for roughly 20 to 30 minutes. It's still not soft yet. I'll be going in with some of my ingredients. I'll be going with my smoked mackerel, going in with my cooked pomo, going in with my prawns, so I'll be adding some goat's meat as well now. Look at how rich this rice is. Oh my god. If you've never made native rice before, you're missing out. So I'll be adding some oil over the rice for it to trap the heat, and then I'll cook that for another 10 minutes. And now I'll be adding my spinach, and then allow that to simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes. Add some onions. So I'll be adding some red onions on that, and then I'm just going to cover it again and allow it to simmer for another 3 minutes. So now I'll be going in with my ephedrine, my dry leaf, my scent leaf, I mean. So I've added my ephedrine into it now. I'm just going to allow it to simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes on low heat. Guys, I'm tempted, like I'm really tempted to start eating this rice, but I have to caution myself, you know. God, please, if you're not making this native rice, you're missing out big time. This is the bomb. It adds a lot of nutrients, lot of proteins and veggies, so you're having all your food guide in it: carbohydrates, protein, vegetables, you know. Just gonna allow that to simmer for another 5 minutes so that the ephedrine can, you know, integrate properly into the rice. So let's have a look at our rice, and there you go. The native jollof rice is ready. Look at that, guys. Alright then, thank you so much for watching till here, and if you still stay tuned, thank you so much. And if you're not, you can kindly go back and rewatch the video, share, like, give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.